everyone, and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Melissa, and I usually upload sewing related videos like this one. This is my planning video, so let's go ahead and take a look at August. Let's see what I was able to accomplish and what I was not. The quote was, "If it doesn't scare you, you're doing it wrong." Here it is. So my YouTube videos that I wanted to upload were a date night dress, a Sasvers vlog, and a fun DIY for kids. I also wanted to improve my sew skills, pay attention to making adjustments, take notes using my tools. I don't know what, make muslins, that's what's in yellow. And I did most of it, but not all of it, which is okay because as you sew different items throughout each day, your plans change, but this always helps me stay within my range. So therefore, thank you, August. Thank you for all the things you brought despite some sad things. But let's move on to September. September 2019. The weather is kind of weird, but the sunsets here in Arizona in September are stunning. The sunsets in Arizona have been so beautiful. So I decided to just draw that, or attempt to draw that. You guys know I can't draw. Let's see. And I went ahead and started thinking for September. And I'm not gonna lie, the more I plan this, the more I get into a blank. So I just did, okay, well, what am I doing today, which was yesterday, which was the 3rd, and I was recording my calendar video, and then today is Wednesday, so I decided to edit and upload it today. I went ahead and took down my measurements. If you don't measure yourself regularly, you probably should, because your measurements are constantly changing. You know, sometimes your measurements get bigger in different areas, sometimes they get smaller. A good example is my bust and my hips actually, I don't want to say they grew. I think my hips lost half an inch. I honestly don't know. My waist did get smaller. My YouTube videos that I want to upload, and this is kind of where I was like, what do I even want to upload, you know? So the first one that I wanted to do is I wanted to talk about all the things that I have gotten secondhand at thrift stores, because the majority of everything that I have sewing related has been from thrift stores. Now, the second thing that I wanted to do is I actually need to go through my closet, because even though I haven't shopped for clothes, my me-made clothes is overfilling my drawers. So I need to go through that and see what things I will continue to wear and what things I will not. The third video is, or maybe will be, let's see, what did I decide? And I actually wanted to go ahead and do more pattern reviews, because I think I liked doing that. And I also want to go ahead and adjust a full pattern. It'll probably be what the Erin dress from Style Sew Me, simply because I still love that dress and I want to make it for my height. So I want to go ahead and make adjustments to the paper pattern. I also focused on uploading once a week, and I'm hoping to stick to uploading every single Wednesday, and then editing and uploading, and then editing, recording and editing. I gave myself 3 days. That way I don't feel so rushed or hurried to do it, or pressured, simply because fall is coming, Halloween is coming. I might be doing my own costume. We shall see. And then I started thinking of what I want my phrase or my slogan or a quote that I wanted. You guys know that I always do a quote or a saying or a phrase, whatever. And this time, because I've been kind of at a stump, I just went ahead and put, just shut up and get to work. Because, ¿sabes qué? Sometimes you just have to do it. You know what I mean? And then I thought about it as well. And I do have kind of a lot of patterns now. And there's a few that I want to focus on this month. So I went ahead and grabbed them, and the first one is going to be, wow, this is kind of a long wait. Oh, okay, here I am. The first one is going to be this shirt by Mimi G Style. I've been wanting to make this top now for a while. The next one is this Simplicity vintage pattern. The next one is another date night dress because I only made one and I want to make another one. I just need to get the mesh for this pattern because it's super cute. And the next one, as I've mentioned a little bit ago, is the errand dress from Style So Me. I just want to make it to fit me a bit better, and but I want the original pattern to fit me. You know, I don't want to make adjustments or change it. And now this is the month of September. Many blessings to everybody for this month. Here we go. So you guys have already seen this outfit. You've already seen this shirt and these shorts, so I'm not going to waste time. This is my second one, the top and the shorts. You guys have seen both of these as well, but I love them so much. I am a little bloated right now because I ate a ton of tamales when I went to Vegas to visit my mom. I ate tamales, I ate empanadas de plátano, you know what I mean. My husband was eating chicken feet over there, disgusting. This is my bodysuit that I actually made, and I do like it. I like this bodysuit. All of these patterns will be down in the description box, but this is really cute. I still have to fix the snaps though. The snaps aren't perfect and they come undone, so I have to fix that. But I do love the outcome of this. It's super cute, trendy. I love it. And then this is the last piece that I've made, and it's the date night dress, and it's the Mimi G pattern, and I love this. My husband loves this dress on me, okay? Therefore, I love it, and I can't wait to make another one of these. And that is it, you guys. I did not record an outro, so thank you again so much for watching. May you have a wonderful day, week, and month, and don't forget to make it a great year. Thank you. Bye.